What is the Naghten rule? Have you ever wondered how the legal system determines if someone is not guilty due to insanity? Let's talk about the Naghten rule, a key concept in criminal law. This rule helps courts decide if a person can be found not guilty because of their mental state at the time of the crime. It is named after Daniel Naghten, who in 1843 shot and killed Edward Drummond, believing he was the British Prime Minister. Naghten claimed he acted out of fear that the government was conspiring against him. His trial ended with a not guilty verdict due to insanity, sparking public demand for clearer rules regarding insanity defenses. The Naghten rule sets two main conditions for a successful insanity defense. First, the defendant must prove that at the time of the crime, they did not know what they were doing due to a mental defect or disease. Second, if they did understand their actions, they must show they did not know those actions were wrong. This means the person either did not grasp the nature of their actions or believed their actions were justified, such as thinking they were following orders from a higher power. In true crime discussions, the Naghten rule is fundamental. It helps explain how courts assess a defendant's mental state when determining guilt. While this rule is still in use in many states in the United States and in the United Kingdom, some jurisdictions have adopted different tests. These include the irresistible impulse test or the Model Penal Code test, which can offer a broader perspective on how mental illness affects criminal responsibility. When we consider famous trials like the John Wayne Gacy case, the Naghten rule is relevant, even if it was not directly applied. Gacy was found competent to stand trial and did not successfully use an insanity defense. However, understanding the Naghten rule gives us a clearer picture of how courts handle insanity claims. It shows why some defendants are found not guilty by reason of insanity while others are not. This legal standard is a vital part of criminal law, especially in true crime narratives where mental health and accountability are often debated.